This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to re-add the Google search bar on your Android phone if you deleted it. So if you accidentally got rid of this or you can't see it anymore, it's very easy to re-add something like this as a widget. So on my Google Pixel, I don't think this can be deleted. I have no option to really remove it. But all I have to do is hold down on the screen somewhere and I want to add a widget. So this will work on your Samsung phone, your Honor, Xiaomi, wherever phone you're using. So we can go to widget right here. And then I can see all these fake people. I don't know who those people are. But I can scroll on down. I have a YouTube search bar right here. I can add that to my home screen. Scroll on down. And we can find something for Google if we go over to Browse. And we can just find the Google app under here. So let's go on down to Google. So we got Google right here. We can press the down arrow. And then finally we have a Google search bar. Okay, we can just click on this. And we can find a location to add it. So let's just drop it right there. And I don't know if we can make this shorter. We can make it longer. So we can just put it right here. Now this one looks a little bit different. We can go to the crayon and we can edit the transparency too. We can make it light, dark. We can customize the color if we want. I think maybe the light one is probably the best. Change shortcut AI mode, so we can press this. I'm not sure what that is, but it says AI mode, song search, weather, etc. So I'm just going to leave it on the AI mode, I guess. And then we can go back once we're done. And now it's the white one. I think the white one looks pretty well. So you can get rid of it too, or you can just go to widget settings. You see that option up on the top. It's kind of hard to click it though. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.